everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created a set of nails using my Brush Up Builder Gel from Miss You Beauty. I have actually already done an infill on these nails and I did not record it because I know you've seen it a few times and it must get pretty monotonous for you. So I'm going in here with my gel polish from the Miss Beauty range, and the shade is 04. So I'm just applying 2 coats of this colour to my nail, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress and my extra fine detail brush, and I apply some nail art to my nail. I also just want to say, before I carry on with this video, a massive thank you to the support that I've received from a lot of my lovely fellow YouTubers who found out obviously from my previous video that I was not feeling in tip-top condition. I'm still struggling with a few issues, but I will be back on form eventually. So thank you so much for your love and support. It is totally and utterly always appreciated, and yeah, thank you. So I'm just going in with my dotting tool here with the Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress, and with my 4-in-1 gel polish Tracy in the shade Tracy. So I apply some top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, sorry, in my LED lamp. So now I'm just going in again with the same shade, Miss Beauty 04, on my forefinger here, which I cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in here with my matte top coat and I cure that for 60 seconds. Then again with the shade Wedding Dress in my Pro Gel and my extra fine detail brush and these tiny little sequins and glitter, I'm just applying a little bit of my non-wipe UV gel glossy top coat here, and with my gel brush I'm just applying a little bit of the glitter, and with my rhinestone pencil I'm just applying these little tiny sequins to the nail. I'm creating basically like a little dandelion on my nail, and I'm using the little sequins just to create a little bit of depth to that dandelion there. It's so cute. Is that right? A dandelion? Is that what you call it? I'm not sure, I can't remember. So anyway, it's cute and I like it. So yeah, just applied a little bit more glitter to that nail, and then I went in again with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, but I just applied that to the flower there and then cured it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So on the middle finger here I apply my gel polish Spring Break 09 and cure that for 30 seconds. Then on my second coat I go down the one side with Spring Break 09, and down the left hand side of this nail I go in with Shell 07, and then I go down the middle of those two colours to create my ombre effect. Then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in and do another layer of exactly the same thing here, and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my diamond glitter in the shade Aryan and my gel brush and just apply that at the cuticle area and just fade it down the nail halfway down, so I've got another ombre effect, and I cure that for 30 seconds. Then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. So then on my ring finger I created a little bit of 3D nail art. So I applied Love Story 04 to this nail, which is a thermal gel polish, and I cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and I went in with a second coat again, cured it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Then with this diamond glitter, which is called, I don't know, Callisto, I do not know how to pronounce that anyways, and my gel brush, I went in and I applied a 3D heart to this nail, and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So then on my little finger I went in with Miss Beauty 04 again and applied 2 coats of this gel polish, and then I went in with Shell 07 over the top of this colour here, and then I went in and got these little are they Fimo slices, and the heart ones I really quite liked. So what I did here is I placed them on top of the wet gel polish on my little nail so that they stayed in place. Cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds and then went in with my top coat and put quite a decent amount over those hearts so it looked like a little bubble, and I just created like my very own little, I don't know what you call them, stones, something like that. And then I cured it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I applied cuticle oil to my nails and I was done. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up as always. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will leave all links to the items that I used in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.